Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a energy efficient home exuding a sense of grandeur with breathtaking panoramic views of the city. It is located at Belgrade Loop, Kingston 8. This grand mansion is perched on 1 acre of fruited land with manicured lawns and spans approximately 11,500 square feet. The house is disposed over 3 floors, comprising 9 bedrooms with 6 bathrooms. Electronic gate permits access, which cascades down the courtyard and flows to the main entry level, which features open concept living, extending to balcony. Dining, kitchen with built-in cabinetry, adorned with black natural stone countertop, washroom and 2-car garage with electronic shutter. The courtyard accommodates 4 additional vehicles. The basement level features a study, 2 bedrooms, 1.5 bathrooms, entertainment area with kitchenette. The basement can be closed off with its own access and used for long or short-term rentals. The house is fully solar powered with backup generator, pool, jacuzzi, gazebo with terrace for entertainment, suited for a large family, exclusivity, and sophisticated entertainment. Contact your realtor today to schedule a viewing. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 158 million, US 1 million, Canadian 1.43 million, Euro 919.8 thousand or 778.3 thousand pounds. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.